VCarve Pro, importing and scaling vectors. All right, in this video, we're going to bring a vector into our job and get it scaled and centered, ready to work with. So there's a couple ways to do this. You can click this icon right here in the File Operations area. It says Import a bitmap or vector. Or, if you'd rather go through the menu, just go to File, then Import Vector or Bitmap. Either way, go ahead and select the file you want to work with, then click Open. That's going to bring it right into your job sheet. Now, you'll notice this file actually has several shapes in it. For this example, we just want to work with one. So let's go ahead and delete the others we don't need. Now let's scale our shape. First, click and drag with your mouse, left to right, to select it. You'll see it turn red once it's selected. Then head over to the Scale tool and click on it. Make sure Link XY is checked so it scales proportionally. Then just type in the size you want. I'm going to put 6 inches here. And click Apply. Last step, let's center it. With your shape still selected and showing red, go to the Align tool and center it in the middle of your material. And that's it. Our vector is imported, scaled, and centered, ready for the next step. If you like to keep learning step by step like this, come join us. Enroll in course today. Thanks for watching.